tabs?
Go.
You recording? Okay. You recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Shit. It's floating. Sweet. Okay, now shake it. Don't point it at us. Oh shit, dude, I can feel it. It's gonna go all over and you watch.
It's gonna blow it backwards, man.
It's not gonna blow it up.
No, watch it just blow the seam and just all over Jay. This is just, oh, dude, look at it. Like, you see it expanding. That was a bad idea. Shit, dude, it's gonna explode in my hand. I'm gonna get shrapnel, dude. It's plastic. I'm gonna catch plastic shrapnel.
Don't point it this way, dude.
It's hard as a rock. Feel it.
I don't want to
Feel it, Joe. Get it away from us. Shit, dude.
Let me feel it.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna keep it this way. Could have been blowback right into your junk. Damn it.
No, turn it the other way because it's gonna blow the cap off and go that way.
It's not doing anything.
It will. Trust me.
Just keep shaking it. I feel very unsafe.
I'm gonna get
Yeah, you tell me. I'm the one doing it. You're the one who wants to. I don't know, man. It's not working.
I think that might be why they were bouncing it.
You fucked it up!
Want to start throwing it at the ground?
Fuck no.
Do it.
Do it.
Stand up. No, Jacob, stand up on the hill.
Oh god.
This is gonna be bad. Back up.
Take it a little bit more.
Make sure I can get all this in there.
Damn it.
It didn't go! It didn't go!
Go get it and hit a tree. Don't. It's pointing that way. Jake, come back up here and throw it at this tree. Yeah. I don't think the bag's getting open. Dude, there's some on the bottom. Yeah. It's open. Yeah, they're all
Definitely open.
Now throw it at this damn tree.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
It'll work, damn it.
It should work by now.
It went in between the trees.
Plenty of Joe yesterday.
I like how...
Do we have a hammer down here of some sort?
Oh, shit.
Wait, I have a better idea. We'll get a log. We'll have it facing this way. We'll take the log and just like... And then just drop it on it. Like a big-ass log. Dude, this thing is seriously hard as a fucking rock.
Let me feel it.
Boom! I know, that's what I was waiting for. You can barely fucking squeeze this
Oh
thing.
my god.
Even a big stump for a log. I don't think two packs were enough. I think it was
We're enough.
It's enough.
Did you see what happened with just the one before? Uh-oh, watch out. He's throwing it.
It's a fucking dud. Dude, we need a hammer.
It's a dud.
This thing's not gonna explode. You need a hammer.
Get a log and throw it on
A
it.
hole on the side, and it's gonna squirt everything out, just like if there's a little hole in the cap.
Poke it with a pin.
I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Then we have an issue.
Told you, Jake. You should have got two.
Bullshit. I think we should hit it with something.
Agreed. That tree right behind you, Jacob. Woo!
Wow. You know, I thought you were still going for the tree here. Nice to know, because I'm pretty sure it's pointed right at me. Okay, Jake, here.
Joe, how's this gonna work exactly? Mr. Expert.
The X? What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
It's gonna work! It's gonna work! It's not working!
Now watch. Jacob has the detonation button.
No, never mind, Jake. I don't want to do this anymore.
Oh, you are? Oh, sorry. Who's saying it's gonna work? Was it Jason?
No!
Someone was saying it's gonna work.
It will blow
Jacob
apart.
was.
I've seen it done many times.
How many packs did that guy put in there?
Not enough.
No, we didn't put enough. He put plenty. Okay.
I don't just I can't
Let's
even
hit it with
think.
something.
Don't even point that at me.
Grab a log. Grab one of those breaking logs over there.
We probably dumped too much out. Is that the problem?
Why are you looking at me? I don't know.
We'll have to do this again tomorrow. Well, I mean, it's not like any Coke gets in there.
Grab a log to smash
The
it.
bag is all the way out at the top. So we don't have to dump any out. It can be sitting in the Coke.
Go grab a chopping log down there.
What?
We have one of the chopping logs down there. Go grab one of those.
Dude,
What?
just splitting axe the top off.
Oh!
Or you can just
That's
puncture
not a
a.
bad idea.
Or you have a knife.
Yeah, I'll just deep it down. All right, go for it.
Jen's gonna do it?
All you have to do
You
is
may
poke
want
a
to take
hole
your clothes
just in the
off.
side.
Knife's not gonna work. It's gotta be quick.
No.
Because the whole top's gotta come off.
Listen.
At once.
No, it doesn't even have to be the top. You can set it on the
Get
side.
the hatchet. Get the hatchet.
No, you
I'll
can
do it.
Listen, you can set it on its side and just take the knife and just pretty much, as long as it creates a little hole, the smaller the hole, the more pressure there is, the higher it's gonna
Well, it's
go.
gonna be cooler if there's an axe.
I don't care.
And I'm just gonna set it on the ground and I'm gonna whack off the top.
Jacob, step on it.
Off.
You're gonna whack
Whack off.
I'm gonna whack off the
Giggity, giggity.
Giggity.
I'm telling you,
Meantime,
giggity.
top. This thing could explode at any moment. Someone get the hatchet.
Where is it?
Why don't you just hug the
there,
bottle,
isn't it?
Jake?
Yeah.
Just hug it. Go grab one of
There,
those.
isn't it? Yeah.
Go grab one of the logs. we can throw it at it.
Is your knife old?
You shouldn't have dumped any out.
That
That's
sort
the
of?
problem.
Yeah. You throw it on the ground sometimes?
No.
I was gonna say just throw it at the bottle.
Well, we could do that, but
Hey, Joe, use the hatchet top that you broke off.
I didn't bring my damn throwing knives. This would have been perfect.
use a gun.
Why? I don't know. I just didn't think.
Dude.
There you go.
Shoot it with a 22.
Shoot it. Save it for tomorrow and then shoot it.
Or we can just shoot it tonight.
Yeah, because I'm gonna sit there at 2 a.m. and hear a pow.
Well, we don't have to just set it out here.
As it comes rocketing that way the entire way.
The top's gonna be blown off. The whole top is gonna be like pointed
Get
outward.
night
like
vision.
A bomb.
Up there, and I'll be down here and be like, moving in. He's like, pop, pop.
Grab the snippers.
Dude, 2 packs wasn't enough.
Yes, it was. You emptied out too much Coke. That was the problem.
Tomorrow we're gonna do 3 packs, and we're gonna do it in a full.
Fucking ridiculous. At least let me drink that when you're done.
You wanna open it?
It's gonna be minty too.
Wait, give it to him. He wants to have a drink, Jake.
Perfect.
Yes!
That would be a perfect.
Perfect. You want to drop it? Drop this on it? I'll hold it for you.
Sure, yeah, I'll do it.
Put the thing away from us.
I really don't think this is gonna work either. You might have to slam it on it.
Throw it. No, Jake, put it back and throw it from the top. Put it closer to the hill and throw it from the top of the hill.
Face first, it'll shoot up.
No.
Jason got all scared.
At least a countdown would be nice.
It's not locked out. It'll just launch into the ground and sets uphill.
Why are we launching into the ground? We want to launch it somewhere, don't we?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All right,
It's gonna launch the bottom?
Yeah, it'll launch.
Watch it.
Oh, I suppose, yeah.
Oh, you missed.
Oh, it was so close.
Yeah, although busting the top off would work too.
Either way.
What he's trying to do, but
Oh god.
Look
at him.
oh god,
Oh god! Oh god! Get back in the line of fire!
I landed on it. The log. Do it a couple more times. No, do it a couple more times. This thing is a fucking rock. You know what? No, this is.
Take your knife, Joe. Joe, just take your knife.
No. Now I want to try. Put it over your head and slam it down on it. That's
He's
what
gonna jump down too and then...
I'm not jumping down.
That bottle of Coke is a champ.
You recording all this?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. I don't know if I can throw it that far. What?
As he goes down with it. Oh!
I don't know if I can throw it that high. I don't know. You threw it pretty far down the hill. And you asked me.
The ground. Shoot, right here, right fucking here.
Yeah, go get a close up of that hole that they created with that bottle.
We need the hatchet. Get the hatchet and we'll just fucking chop the top.
What about the snippers?
Snippers would do it, but hatchet. Or
Hey, now we know what they do to make hard plastic.
Yeah, they fucking get this.
Pressurized it.
With the hatchet, seriously. Go get it then. What a trooper. And we're just gonna fucking...
As the tree comes rolling down.
You're working so hard.
Yep. I'm not the one whose idea this was.
True.
It wasn't my idea to go buy the Coke.
That's true.
Or the Mentos. Or
It was
do
my
that.
idea, and I'm proud of him.
So he should do the work, not me.
Yeah, you should go get the hatchet.
That's what I said.
He offered.
Uh-huh.
He did.
After much
I didn't
persuasion.
force him.
After much persuasion.
Jake, you have to try to make the hole as close, or chop it as close to the cap as possible,
Yeah.
because otherwise the hole's going to be too big.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna
It's not
chop
gonna
it
shoot
right
the system.
right at the top.
Right at the tip.
Maybe even just hit the cap. If you hit the cap, it might split the cap and then just shoot the cap
I think
off.
the splitting maul would be actually be better.
Yell for him.
Matters. Hey Joe, get the Okay.
I don't feel safe standing in front of that.
I don't know, I wouldn't feel safe standing
Watch
anywhere
this, Jake.
near
I
that.
bet it'll explode with this.
Yes. What do you have to say about it?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're just amused by how dumb we are?
Yep.
Oh!
Splitting maul, just a hatchet.
Just the hatchet, because he
See that?
ain't running with the splitting maul.
That'll work. This thing's gonna fucking open one way or another.
If you use the hatchet, you need to make it worth your while and just swing to swing.
Swing to swing.
Swing.
Sounds like some.
Oh, for the love of Pete.
Jacob can go.
Come over here. Come on this side to get a better view. That was not a good idea. That thing just fucking split towards me, and if it would have gone off, it would have went right into me. See how it just went fucking spun? That thing can withstand a hatchet.
Freshly sharpened hatchet. Do not point it that way.
Any fucking mark even?
Joe!
Hey.
Seriously! You fuckers!
Dude, you heard me hit this thing with a hatchet. You can play it in slow-mo.
Just point it wherever you want.
Hey, worry about the other end. Get the splitting maul. Okay. I'll go get it. You want me to go get it? Yeah. No, I think Finch is exactly the same. You need, instead of a sharp area, you need one sharp point, and it'll just spray the pot, and then shoot the bottle. But
That's why I said give me your knife.
that's why I said
You gonna go out there and do it?
I was going to.
take the corner of the hat.
I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to get full of pot.
Me either.
No, if this thing doesn't work with this, with the
He's already been full of gas.
Lake, there's showers at the...
Community showers.
Group.
Long time.
Don't drop the soap.
Somebody will die.
We can all go together.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know what to do because I'm just waiting to finish this taping.
You could always stop and continue, can't you?
No. Well, I can, but then it wouldn't be on like one. We wouldn't have like from start to
You
finish.
can't pause it.
I don't think so. Let's try it. Nope.
So we are still taping
Yep.
right now. Right on.
That's embarrassing. This whole time I'm sitting here.
Awesome.
This is like, ah.
Here comes the ogre with the axe. Okay, I'm backing up.
Look at him. This shit is done with.
This is gonna happen.
This is happening.
Oh, dude, I got an idea.
What if we stood it upright and just split it down the middle?
You think you can hit that?
I think that's gonna actually spray. I think it's just gonna go.
It's just gonna
That's just
flip
gonna
off.
flip up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit it and it's just gonna launch like a
Whirling pop.
It's gonna go.
That would be kind of cool. That's
so
awesome.
cool. As long as it actually spun that way and not this way or that way. Right.
That'd be okay if it went that way.
You have to.
This seems dangerous now.
Oh!
Oh, in the nose.
Ha
Yeah.
Or did he just cut the whole?
No, I didn't cut all the way through it. That was the explosion.
Let me see the bottle.
I hit right here, and it just blew the rest of it off. There's that much left.
Look, there's Mentos scattered everywhere. The Mentos minefield.
I told you it was a bomb.
Holy shit.
Where'd the Coke go? All over me, that's where it went.
Woo!
That was intense. We gotta play that in slow-mo.
Jason's just walking away.
Next time.
Okay, how wet is this log? Can I carry it back?
Yeah.
3 packs, no emptying it out.